Heartopia.
Na-discover akong laro. Ito. Heartopia. Kapon lang ata ito ni-release. Pero ang ganda niya. Para siyang Animal Crossing. Pero, mas siya. Mas okay kasi tao. Kasi, cutie, kawaii characters. Kawaii. Kung paano pronounce. Ayan, ganyan siya. Pero, na-start ko na kasi siya, pero sa simula parang gagawa ka ng character mo, pipili ka ng bahay mo, tapos yan, may mga quest siya. Tapos, yan, meron kang watch para ma-access mo yung mga backpack mo, para sa mga items. Tapos, ito yung mga stores. Tapos, meron dito, ito yung mga quest mo. Makikita mo lahat ng quests. Tapos, pag nag-stop tracking ka, hindi ka niya i-guide kung paano mo pupuntahan. Pero pag track quest ka, i-guide ka niya. So, kunyari, socials na. Ayan, so, gagawin mo. So, bugyo mo yung mga so, sabi tayo flip mo lang siya. Bago na naman. Ayan, pwede ka makapag-friends. So, ask Naniwa about sex. Asan si Naniwa? Ayun, makikita mo gano'n siya kalayo from 180 meters. Yeah. So, ayan. Uy, mabait yung bisita ko kanina. Sinara niya yung pinto ko. So, sara na. Kasi ako nagsasara ng pinto. Paano ba ito? Ayan. Kasi pwede ka rin magtanim. So, medyo malayo siya. So, pwede tayong ayan, pwede tayong look, nagawan ko siya ng motor lang. Ito ko bakit yung akin. Baka pagalitan nito. Ayan. Nakamotor tayo. Tapos ito, yan, nakakita ko may stars. Parang yan yung guide. Parang alam ko lang makikita. Guide kang star. Ano may gantong taong nalagay sa isang subdivision? Sa baba. Saan ba siya? Dito siya, di ba? Saan siya? Ayun, makikita mo kung malapit ka na. Mababa. Sa taas ba siya? Saan siya? Dito ba? Dito siya sa baba. Ano ba yun? Dito tayo. Sabi, ayun. 8 meter, 7. 8? Naku. Saan ba sumaba? 7. Eh, no. Ito na. 10. Hintas. Tumaas. Dito. Sorry. Ayun siya. Kausapin mo. Learn about in, okay, mag-iin si Catherine. Yung una kasi, tinuruan ka mag-build. Tapos, tinuruan paano magkuha ng woods, ganyan, tapos fishing. Tapos ngayon, ito. Catching. So, para talaga sa, di ba, as baby, so 37 meters to matanda ito, nakasombrero lang. The forest east of town is a vital habitat for birds. Please be careful and protect the ecosystem when you visit. Ano daw yun? Ay, bay. Yung blue kailangan natin to learn about. Interested in bird watching? Don't worry, it's quite simple. Just listen and observe and then be sure to spot the bird. Then use your scanner to identify this record, aid our climate and ecosystem project to help you understand. Okay. So if you can for the hospital, come back. Okay. Ito yung yeah, crucial steps. Ask Massimo about 45 na magmumukot. Diba ang galing yung tao? Well, welcome. Are you here for delightful meal or to master the art of cooking? Learn about cooking. So looking to return cuisine then learning cooking is a must. Don't underestimate cooking. It demands extreme sharp eyes. Of course, tasty food will restore your energy with premium food offering special effects. Even if you don't eat them yourself, sharing with friends or selling to the gold merchant works too. Come back when you're ready for challenge. Tapos, ano nangyari? Decide which hobby to learn and confirm with the corresponding mentor. Ano yun? Cooking. Oh, welcome. Confirm learning cooking. When ready to learn cooking, please hand me your hobby and passion cooking. Oh, yeah. Now you can start practicing your cooking skill. And hey, if you need any help, I'm happy to lend a hand. Kala ko tuturuan mo. Perfect. Here's the food recipe. Follow it to make mixed job. Well, mix, judge the heat level, and you might get the jar food tasted. Try it at the stove. Ayan, learn. Pwede yung ibenta. Tapos sa Vietnam. Ano nakuha na namin. Ay, hindi, papakita ko pala muna. Paano, ayan o. Kaya para siya Animal Crossing. Ito yung mga tools. Ayan o. Di ba may ganito rin tayo? Pag nasira, may repair kit. Ayan o. Diba? Tapos ganun din sa puno. See? Pero sa plant, iba. May kamay. Ayan yung nilalabas ko. Ayan. Tapos, ganun din. Pwede mo itago. So, diba? Parang Animal Crossing. Yan. So, tara. Ayan. See? Pat. Ay, oo, pwede rin mag-fishing. Same lang din katulad din sa fishing. Pati. Picture? Oh, tapos? Ba? Talk to bird watcher lover. Ako. Hindi siya. Ulo. All this easy drink, can't remember anything but common questions. Meron naman ako. Meron na ako, di ba nagpuno tayo kanina. 3, 4, 5. Think of it, the guy has ngayon, 1, 2, 3, motor. Ay, tumatalo na. Okay, ito yung parang coins nila. Yung machine. Bibili ka ng mga pino. Subukin na yun. Ayun siya. Hey, backpacker. I just arrived in this town not long ago and everything feels different. I'm stalling to the forest. Deep breaths. Haha. Ha. Meaning motion na tayo. Okay. Ano ba kailangan? Deliver badge. Ayun ako. Pero kanina dito. Yung branch na kukuha siya dun sa halaman. 5, 3, 4, 5. Cassie. She probably went to jump puzzle in the south. When I saw her earlier, she mentioned something about designing new woodland challenge. So, find Cassie. It's fun. Diba? Why you diba? Dito ako look. May panda. Siguro ayun. Panda cute. Saan siya? for my new Woodland Challenge. Wait, I just finished that and I haven't told anyone yet. Patty sent you about campfire remnants. I triple checked during patrol. All clear. Well, might forgotten updating system or preparing chocolate. Auto alert when it happened. Anyway, the forest is safe now. Patty wants me back to this morning, but wait, tell you what, completely off my channel memories. Phil and you help me to find my challenge. The first challenge that you shot. Time your jump perfectly accurate. Apply just the right force and bounce across the field. Put up my special bubble. Asan yun? Very good. Ulitin na natin ang start. Oh, ayun. There. Ay, talagang patalon-talon tayo, girl. Adventure requires the courage and wisdom. Anong gagawin? Dito? Oh, tapos adventure requires both courage and wisdom. Wait, you found it, but I really gave you any hints. Never mind. Definite prizes in the final challenge. For the grand finale, I showed. Wait, my design isn't cool enough yet. Got it. Let us use Patty's old leader. Oak's position today. Cross the lonely bridge. Step into the forest heart. Between two teardrops gleam. My any dream friend is trapped in hardship. That's your challenge. Can you find me anything? Meet sa tignan. Okay, thank you for stars. Ang stars. Parang malalaglag ako dito. Diyos ko, diba nalalaglag na nga ako. Hindi ko kasi. Isundan natin. O diba? Yung lupit ng maliwagang stars. Nadadaan ako. Ay! Uy! Ito. Use the pickaxe to chop the wood. Saan? Ito. Talaga pinakakita ko dito. Ito bago. Okay, apple panda. Tapos talot. Ay! Nalaglag. Higit na naman. So, kailangan mag-ingat-ingat din pala sa pag-akyat. Kasi parang masasayang pag nilagyan ka. Nagbiyak ka lang. Ano ka naman kasi kung kasan? Ba't naman kasi nagbiyak ng tao? Nagdo-double ka pa. Parang mas malakas. Mag-usap sila. I just finished another patrol. Everything's fine. Come on, I already checked everything. Just forgot to update the report. It was busy designing challenges. Guess what? Here's to tease them out. Well, fine. Since you love this area so much, you can patrol here from now on. By the way, Cassie, please lose me rules. Sometimes your passion for the forest. Just find your own way to help people appreciate it. Oh, you saw the islands last mission? Oh, well, that actually ties into my story. When I was young, unlike Cassie, I lived for adventure, obsessed with legends from magazines and TV shows. I even drew an adventure map, dreaming of solving all its mysteries when I grew up. But adulthood came with responsibilities. When family fell ill, I had to stay by their side. I realized I'd never get to uncover all the world's secret maybe. So one night, I sneaked into forest to bury my mapping gear for good. Just as I was about to abandon everything, a strange starlight appeared. It led me to Oak Oak, a talking oak that could move. The tree burned with curiosity, longing to explore beyond the forest. But walking defined its very nature, yet there it was keeping me apart. Perhaps in that moment I felt such envy that I gifted the map and gear. That is how the mystery. Maybe now. But who's to say a persistent won't change that? Maybe one day Oak Oak will leave this island, traverse the globe, and return with roots from my childhood home. And perhaps I'll be that star that showed me that yeah. Go to fishing ano pwede itong trade pag nabuo nito, pwede mo siya ito, diba? Pero kaya, ito, lunch. Minsan kaya, ito tapos. Look. Floating. Nalagdag. Nalagdag. Oh. Event press. Ano to? Nick, bulaklak. Mamaya ulit. Ano to yun? Yung logo.